I don't know where this is going, but I'm going anyways. Because you see, I don't have a perfect plan for this channel or even my journey for that matter, but I know I need to start. Now, I want to be clear, this isn't about going viral. It's not even about trying to be an expert and teach either. What it is about figuring out my path in real time and then sharing it with you. So here it is, the first step, to create a place where I can film about movement, discipline, curiosity, and probably some screw-ups along the way. See, for the last few months, I've been filming the little moments of my training. I've been messing around with editing, learning sound design, and trying to piece everything together. And I kept asking myself, what am I even making? Turns out the answer is pretty simple. I'm making something that reflects where I'm at. Nothing more, nothing less. And maybe you're in the same place, waiting to feel ready, wondering if you need a clear plan or more experience. And if that's you, this is your sign that you don't need to be perfect. Because I'm not an expert, and I'm far from ready. But I'm here trying to tell better stories. And the only way to do that is by telling them, one at a time. You see, throughout my journey, I've done a bunch of races, faced hard challenges, had slow days, breakdowns, and even some messy comebacks. But this channel, this is about what I'm learning right now, while trying to build something from it all. Because this isn't a fitness channel, not really. And it's not a motivational channel either. It's just about showing up, running, training, failing, and figuring out how to keep going throughout it all, and making something worth clicking on while I do it. See, this channel is an experiment to give myself permission to get better publicly, to post before I'm ready, to tell better stories before I quite know how to end them. You'll probably see some running, I'm not gonna lie. Some training, some moments that are hard to talk about, and hopefully a few that I'm even proud of. Some of it's gonna be structured, and some of it won't. But the one thing that I'm promising is that I'll keep making. Because something happens when you press record. You start noticing more, feeling more, and eventually becoming more. So yeah, I don't know where this is going, but I'm going anyways. And if you want to follow along, learn as I learn, and see where this adventure goes, then you know exactly what to do. Go hit the buttons below, like and subscribe, and follow along in this adventure. Let's make something happen.